Hello all, I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to show you that how to install Kali Linux on a virtual machine called VMware in Windows 10 or higher operating system. So let's begin. First, open any web browser. I am using Microsoft Edge. Go to search bar and type Kali Linux download. I will provide all the links in the description. Scroll down a bit and click on the first link. Click on the Virtual Machines box. Then scroll down a bit and click on Download button under VMware tab. The file will take some time to download as it is of 3 GB. Till then you can have a coffee. We need to download another small application named 7-zip to extract the downloaded Kali Linux virtual file, so go to search bar and type 7-zip and click on Download button. Download the 64-bit Windows installer. Go to your Downloads folder and double-click on that 7-zip file and allow the administrator permission when asked to install it. Don't change the destination folder and click on Install button and it will be installed in few seconds. So, now our file is downloaded. Go to your Downloads folder and refresh the page for once. Right-click on the downloaded Kali Linux 7-zip file and under 7-zip click on Extract here. It will take few minutes to extract the file. Till then let's wait patiently. I have fast-forwarded the video to make it easier for you all. Now the file is extracted. Now let's head to our desktop and open VMware. Now click on Open a Virtual Machine. And go to your Kali Linux extracted folder and select the file that ends with .vmx. And click on Open. Now the Kali Linux is linked to the virtual machine. Then click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. The minimum RAM allotted to the virtual machine should be 2 GB to run it smoothly, but I am allotting 2.5 GB. You can allot more RAM if you want. Then click on Processors tab and allot at least 2 cores. Then click on Network Adapters tab and then use same settings as I am using. Then go to USB Controller tab and select the compatible version according to your system. Then go to Display tab and enable 3D graphics option. Then click on OK. Now we are done setting up the virtual machine and now it's time to power it up. Now click on Play Virtual Machine. Now let the virtual machine start. The default username to log in is Kali. And the default password is also Kali. You can switch to full screen by clicking on that square box on top left corner. Single-click on the black square box called Terminal in upper left corner. Type sudo apt update and then press Enter. The password is Kali and then press Enter. Make sure your computer is connected to the internet. It will take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. Now we need to upgrade the upgraded packages. For that, type sudo apt upgrade -y in terminal and press Enter. It would take some time to upgrade. I have fast-forwarded the video to save your time. Now we are all done setting up the machine. If you want to shut down the machine, type sudo shutdown in terminal and it will shut down after 1 minute. If you have any problem installing the machine, you can mention it in comment section below or tag me in my Discord server. I will reply as soon as possible.